While others are busy calling family meetings to discuss their rankings, others are flourishing in their relationships, guys. So Tirelo posted this picture. She first posted this picture of her on her own. And then I guess later on she decided, you know what? I'm going to release and put on social media the other sets of pictures where I'm standing with my man. And I don't think it's a coincidence that she's posting a picture with her man while Uvuyugas is going through the most fighting for first position. I'm sure Tirelo, wherever she is laughing like a rolling on the bed and laughing her lungs out loud because of like Vuyogazi, like how Vuyogazi is like just I don't know, like you guys. And that's the thing about Istembu. It's like once the guy is fighting with his other woman, when you need to make sure you become his piece because this is a battle of rankings. So if it happens that Uvuyogazi hasn't left by now, it is a battle of rankings between Utirelo and Uvuyogazi because it is set that Umpumelelo is gonna marry a first wife, which is a virgin. So Utirelo and Ulokuzana, Utirelo and Uvuyogazi kahle kahle, they are still in a war. They are still in competition of who. And I'll say competition because that's exactly how it is. Like they really are in a competition. So Vuyogazi and Tirelo are very much in competition of whose positioning is gonna go where. And I feel like Uvuyogazi, like the reason why she's kind of like a laughing stock now is because of how she was so sure that she is Umamkuru. Because by virtue of the girlfriend who came before her had left, and she was like the oldest girlfriend in a sense. So she treated herself and that's Umamkuru. And now she's like a laughing stock because, you know, but that's the thing, guys. Like, as long as if a man tells you stuff, sweet stuff in secret, leave those things in secret. Don't claim a position without him putting a ring on it or without him at least, making advances to your family so that, besides that, treat him the way he treats you. If he wants to treat you like Angaz, like at this point, yeah. I don't know, guys, if Uyugazi like is really leaving or she's left. I don't see it though. I don't see it though. But Utirelo, yeah, I feel like she does seem to capitalize on Uvuyogazi and Pumanele's downfalls, and it seems to be working for her because look at Ukel, Uhe peak, Uhe peak. Anyway, guys, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you in the next one.